What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Every generation has megatrends. Some last longer than others, and some get greater visibility. I'm sure it comes as no surprise then when I say that electric vehicle companies and plant-based food companies are leading the megatrends race. In this race, there are many participants, and not all of them are going to succeed. So it's important that when you invest in a trend, you go with a company that's not yet discovered by the masses, so that you can get that ground floor opportunity. Today, I believe I have discovered such a company. But before we get into the details about this company, I want to congratulate those of you who invested in BioNano and Immersion Corporation. I made videos about investing in these stocks, outlining a bull case before they exploded. I'll add a link to those videos in the description below in case you wanted to take a look. If you'd like to hear about new opportunities as soon as I find out about them, then consider supporting the channel by becoming a Patreon. Links in the description below. Right, so today we're talking about Burcon, ticker symbol BUROF. As you can see, this company currently trades on the OTC market. It started the year just under $1 and it actually outperformed Shopify in 2019. So let's see what this company is all about. Burcon NutraScience Corporation is a global leader in innovative technologies for the large-scale production of high-quality, cost-effective, plant-based proteins and ingredients for use in the global food and beverage industries. Building on our unique, environmentally friendly, and clean label extraction and purification technologies, the company now boasts an extensive portfolio of innovative composition, application, and process patents. Our proprietary processes are clean and cost-effective, offering nothing less than the highest quality plant-based proteins increasingly being demanded by consumers worldwide. So yeah, no surprises there, the plant-based food industry is on a tear. So what's the reason why investors are so interested in the stock? Well, for starters, Burcon's best-in-class plant protein technology has attracted heavyweights including the world's largest food company as a customer, Nestle, and also a global leader in agricultural processing as a joint venture equity partner, BUROF. So don't just take my word for it though, let me read you something which I think you'll find interesting. Nestle said that it has entered into a partnership with the Canadian plant-based protein startups Burcon NutraScience Corporation and Merit Functional Foods Corporation to develop and produce protein ingredients sourced from plants. Financial terms of the deal were not disclosed, but Burcon has more than 270 patents relating to plant-based proteins. Merit was launched in 2019 as a joint venture between Burcon and 3 food industry executives to produce meat alternative products. So let me ask you something, how many penny stocks do you see in the OTC markets that have these type of customers like Nestle for instance? I don't think there are too many out there. So it's extremely encouraging to see that world-renowned companies that are probably amongst the biggest in their respective ecosystems are validating Burcon's plant protein technology. So this is really a positive sign. Penny stocks usually just blow up based on rumors of collaboration with a bigger company. In Burcon's case, this is actually a fact and not just rumors. Another extremely positive sign for this penny stock is that it's backed by the Canadian government. This coupled with a world-class equity partner in BUROF Limited, this company is set for big things in the years ahead. Burcon recently just became profitable, however their revenue isn't too significant, so there's nothing to write home about as of yet. However, with earnings forecasted to grow 72% per year, the future looks bright so far. And there's more positive news here. Remember earlier we talked about how Nestle had partnered with 2 Canadian plant-based protein startups. One of them was obviously Burcon and the other one was Merit. The company is currently in the process of building a 94,000 square feet state-of-the-art pea and canola protein production plant, which is scheduled to be operational this month. They claim that this is the world's only commercial-scale canola protein production facility. Well, Burcon is now Merit's largest shareholder with a 33.3% equity position. They also have an existing 20-year exclusive royalty-bearing license from Burcon on Merit's sales. This should further strengthen their cash position. Burcon also have a significant intellectual property portfolio and equally important base of knowledge and expertise. They have issued 287 patents. That's a lot of patents. Now, let's have a look at their balance sheet to see their debt position. As you can see, Burcon's balance sheet is pretty strong, and they're basically debt-free. Finally, I highly recommend that you visit their website and check out their board of directors. The leadership team at Burcon has decades of relevant experience and they're smart people. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about this company. Personally, as I'm based in the UK, I can't buy OTC stocks, which is a little frustrating, but I'm going to do some more research to see if it's possible for me to buy some shares. If I can, I will most definitely be starting a position here. As always, if you found this video useful, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one.